What gets me coming back to work here every day is probably the diversity, not only of the people, but the customers, the parts, the processes that we all have involved out here.
I can truly say that I like the people that I work with.
I get to work with a solid team, that we all work together and try to accomplish the same goals for our customers, not only make us successful, but them successful as well.
Here at Blue Ridge, I feel trusted, and I trust the people around me.
Blue Ridge is an extension to my family.
Blue Ridge to me is more than just a job. It's a place where I can learn, where I'm challenged every day, and I feel accomplished when I go home at the end of the day.
One of the big advantages to working at an employee-owned company is that you're working with your co-owners, not just co-workers.
Blue Ridge to me is a cornerstone, not only in my life, but also the community that I live in. Not only does the company invest in me, I try to give back and invest as much as I can in the company.
I've developed a lot of skills here that I've carried into my personal life. To me, I became a better spouse, a better mother, and just overall a better person.
Blue Ridge to me means security. I've raised 3 children and paid a mortgage, never been laid off. I feel like I owe them an honest day's work too.
One of the things that gives me great pride in Blue Ridge is that almost every one of our customers that we produce parts for, their parts are making a big difference in the world. They're changing the world, if not saving lives in the world.
Everybody watches the person in front of them, the person behind them.
It's a good feeling to know that you are walking back into a place where there is personal growth and opportunities and a chance to collaborate as a team.
I believe in the process. I believe in the people that I work with. And when I leave at the end of the day, I feel like we did a good job and we turned out a good product.
We all work together as a team. I have their back and they have my back.
Working at Blue Ridge gives me a sense of pride in knowing I contributed to the companies we manufacture products for, and that these products are used every day all over the world. We don't cut any corners. We don't send something out the door that's not exactly what the customer ordered. We make sure it's to print.
You can bring raw steel in the back door, you can laser it, weld it, bend it, machine it, paint it, assemble it, and you get a finished product going out the door. I don't think there's many companies that can do all that.